Good morning, everyone. This is the day that the Lord has made. I will rejoice and be glad in it. This morning, I want to talk to you about fighting for unity. Fighting for unity. We have to be careful in this life that the enemy does not use you to cause disunity. God has called us all to be in unity because in unity there is strength. In unity we can defeat our enemies. In unity we can overcome obstacles. So the enemy knows the way to get you and the way to tackle people is to get them separated. Even you notice in the wild kingdom, in wildlife, you notice that predators try to get their prey separated from the pack so that they can devour them. Well, that is a strategy even in the supernatural. It is to get people separated from the pack so that they can be devoured. And normally the tactic is to get the pack to fight against each other, right? So much so that people feel like they need to be separated, need to be disconnected, and then the enemy swoops in to devour them. So this morning I want to remind you in your organizations, in your families, on your teams, wherever you are, it is more important that you fight for unity. And sometimes fighting for unity is more important than you being right. And sometimes fighting for unity is more important than the team becoming 100%. Right? Like a team may be trying to become 100% at what they do. Sometimes it might be better for the team to stay at 80% and be in unity than to try to get to 100%, but everyone's disconnected, if that makes any sense this morning. So let me read you a scripture coming out of Matthew chapter 12. Matthew chapter 12, verse 25. It says, Jesus knew their thoughts and replied, any kingdom divided by civil war is doomed. A town or family splintered by feuding will fall apart. One more time, Matthew chapter 12, verse 25. Jesus knew their thoughts and replied, any kingdom divided by civil war is doomed. A town or family splintered by feuding will fall apart. So this morning I want to remind you that the enemy is coming to try to break up your unity in your family, in your job, in your teams, for the purpose of destroying that team. Remember, if the team can't get along, remember, if we can't get along in the family, remember, if you can't get along in your organization, the refusal to get along is the destruction of that organization or that team. So remember, it's so important that we fight for unity in your family, in your life, in your job, on your teams. Fight for unity. All right? Well, go out today and conquer your day. Don't let your day conquer you. We love you so much.